Thank you for joining us. Today I have with me Satish Topte, our Executive Director of Technology and Product here at CheckAlt. And we just recently published an article called It's Ingenious, where we discuss how we're using generative AI here at CheckAlt. So I have asked Satish to join me today to talk more about not just Genie, but other ways that we're using AI at CheckAlt. Satish, welcome to today's call.
Thank you, Teresa. Good morning. And I can tell you that that was a very wonderful, creative name you put to the article. I was really, I really liked that one.
It was a little play there, so thank you. I appreciate that. Well, tell us, Satish. Tell us more very succinctly, because we encourage folks to head over to the article to read more completely about it. But tell us about Genie and Gen AI here at CheckAlt.
Absolutely. So I'll start with Genie first. Few months back, when we were trying to onboard our associates and getting information to fingertips, we found that we are facing challenges, and how do we basically resolve the challenges in terms of getting our associates faster onboarding, getting the information on their fingertips. So we looked at the Gen AI specifically on the AWS side, because that's our hosting platform. So this Genie is our vision, CheckAlt's vision, is to leverage AI to simplify complexity as well as enhance both operational workflows and client support. When it comes to getting this information, Genie just does not pull the information from the EC2 and the region where we have basically stored all our information, but it basically pinpoints that what you need. So you ask, hey, what is clearing works? And then it will basically give that information. You ask, how do you set up rules in clearing works? And it will basically give that information. It will pinpoint to all the videos, training videos, which we created, like we have hundreds of videos. It will pinpoint to that particular one. So instead of going through the entire 90 minutes of video, you just basically look at that particular one and then get that information.
It takes me to the right second, the right point in the video. I don't have to scroll through and try to figure out just where. Yeah. What a time saver.
Oh, absolutely. And it does give you the summary of it as well. So if you do not want to, hear video or listen to video, just basically look at the summary, and then that gives the information what you are looking at. So that's something which I feel is, and this is just the beginning of what we're trying to do. Our plan is to get the Genie to development, to implementation, and eventually to our clients, because what we all do here in CheckAlt is for our clients. This will help us to improve our time to market. This will help us to reduce the implementation timeline, and eventually getting our solutions to our customers faster than ever before.
Excellent. So thinking about the article and what you were just referring to, we're going to eventually roll this out to our clients. We're taking that phased approach of trying it internally, testing it, tweaking it, expanding it internally, testing it, tweaking it, asking a few of our clients to pilot it with us, tweaking it further, and then from there, Satish?
Yes, absolutely. And in this entire process, we are making sure that we are basically giving this information based on role-based access. So we are implementing that framework. So the information is available to only the folks those are intended to. So that's a critical piece of it. That's basically ethical as well as thoughtful, way of how we are leveraging AI in CheckAlt, and we will continue to basically practice that, make sure that the right information is fed right people. Now, as we basically get this information, we do, as you rightly said, we do have a plan. Use this internally, refine it, use this with the pilot clients. Look at that, how that information is flowed. And it could be available, our portals like merchant portal. So clients can basically go over there, and while they're using particular page, they can ask the information over there. And then that's the information they will get it right at that place. So that's our plan in terms of, having interactive as much as possible. So what we're trying to do is get this Genie built in our merchant portal offering, which we have in ClearingWorks. So the users, clients, they will be able to ask question and get the related information within that page. It would be initially, high level information, but we will keep refining it, making sure that they get the information as early, as quickly as possible in on that page.
Excellent. Anything else you want to add, Satish? I know we've talked about a phased approach, how it's going to improve efficiency, not only internally, but ultimately helping our clients because we can get to better serving them on the more strategic questions they may have or support needs they have, allowing them to self-service. Did I hear the end of Q2 is when we're going to start piloting it with clients?
That is absolutely right. That's exactly what, so from now onwards, next 4 months, we'll be leveraging this I would say extensively to understand the accuracy of the data, as well as the security of the data. And then we basically pilot with to customers. And by quarter 2, we are planning to basically roll it out to as many customers as possible.
Excellent. Well, thank you, Satish. I appreciate your feedback here. And again, if you want to read the full article, it's ingenious, talking about how we're using Gen AI here at CheckAlt. Jump over to our blog at checkalt.com/blog. Not very ingenious, but yes, jump over to our blog site. You can check out this article and more. And Satish, thank you for your time today.
Thank you, Teresa. Thanks for having me.